baby. A loving teddy bear. Put your thing around my neck and leave you anywhere. Oh, let it be. Your teddy bear. Look like some Elvis Presley get up something. What the? Child, let me take this off. Hey. Come along with me as I review this wig. Why am I whispering? That's a good question. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is the home of big hair, bold looks, and big laughs. My name is Rogan, and I'm here to show you how to break the internet without breaking the bank. Let's go. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Freetress Equal Wig. It's a pastel wig. I believe it's in lilac. This is the, I hope you guys can see this. See that? That's the little card. Yeah, it's petal pink, petal pink. So I saw this wig at my local beauty store a few weeks ago, probably a month ago, and I kept passing it by, really interested in seeing what that would look like on my head. I tried a pastel wig the other day. You guys have seen that one. I'll put it up here in my card if you haven't. So when I saw this wig, I thought, okay, I think that's gonna look good on me. I showed it to my sister, who said, you know what, I think you have the face to pull this off. And so I said, you know what, let me try this. So I purchased this wig. It was like $25.99. It's an equal wig, a Freetress Equal Wig, like I said, and it comes in these different colors. I was not interested in this color. I wasn't interested in that, or that. The white might have been a little nice. I've worn a white bob before, but I said the white. This ain't even white. This is the color right here. What the hell am I talking about? This is the petal pink right here. But it almost looks white. I don't know if you guys can see that on your screen, but it looks white to me. But it's a nice petal pink color, and it's just beautiful. So check this out. Your girl picked it up. So excited to come home. I was like, okay, I'm gonna put this on. I slid this on my head. Disaster. It was so ugly. I was like, what are these people talking about? Let me take this off on camera so you guys can see what it looks like, the construction. Okay, so let me show you the interior of this unit. Let me pull this off so y'all can see my head. Ooh. My hair. Look at my hair. So this is the inside. It doesn't have any clips. No clips. And it does have an adjustable strap right here, and a tag so you can know where the back is, which you'd know what the back is because they got this little shag thing looking like a freaking, this look like the abominable snowman get up in the back here. Look at that. Y'all know who the abominable snowman is from like the cartoons? That's what that looks like right there. But that's the back. This is the back. This is the adjustment straps, and it has like this basket weaving thing right here, and so that makes it very comfortable. Because guess what, I'm not gonna lie, I have some wigs that have the clips. I don't even use the clips. I have wigs that have the straps. I don't even use the straps. If you make it small head friendly, for me at least, and it has this netting that has a nice grip, you gotta have that good grip, then it works for me, you know. So let me put it back on. I should do it the other way so you can see. Hey, let me see how I look if I do it the other way. Hey. Oh, baby. A loving teddy bear. Put your thing around my neck and leave you anywhere. Oh, let it be. Your teddy bear. Look like some Elvis Presley get up something. What the? Child, let me take this off. Boom, shakalaka. And then you just, now another thing you need to know. There's another thing you need to know. Like, you see I have this fine tooth comb? Like when I comb down, like sometimes it gets snagged. It gets snagged. So just be careful with that. I have to like, I can't, see the y'all can't even see the shedding. But anyway, I find myself just using like the end of this comb thing just to kind of like put it in position. To put it in la posición, because it just, I don't want to rip it, you know, rip it real good. So yeah, okay. Woof. Now, what I do not like about this wig is that it sheds a lot, like a lot. Like, let me show you. Let me get my. Can I reach over and get my comb? No. Okay, so let me see if I can show you guys what this looks like. Like from Jump Street, I tried this on, it was just shedding. So let me see if it'll show up on camera for you guys. I have to look in my monitor at the same time I do this. I see the hairs falling out. Okay, you guys may not be able to see that. You ever been in a scenario like where your car won't start and then you go someplace and you say, the car's not working, it won't start. And they're like, oh, let me get there and let me check it out. And then they turn the engine and it rolls right over. That's what this is right here. This thing has been shedding, but the minute I started recording, it's like, no, I have not been shedding. No. Me? no, not me. So, so it sheds, but the good thing about this is you can, not that I would ever do that. Like, what the hell in Moses parting the Red Sea? Hell is that? But you can play with the Pixie, make it have like I absolutely loved doing my hair like this. I know you guys are gonna laugh. I'm serving Demolition Man realness, okay? So anyway, you can do like feather it, so it looks like Freddy Krueger's fingers with the butter knives. If you want to, you could swoop it. You could swoop it. Swoop that gal. You can see my hair underneath. That's another thing I did not like. So this piece, while it has like little sideburns, it doesn't come down enough, and I'm not about to shave my sideburns for a pink wig. Not this one anyway. Not any wig. But I like the sideburns. I wish it came down just a little bit longer. And I wish it didn't shed as much. Like it sheds like a dog. Alright, so let me just show you guys the back too. Let me bring this down a bit because that ain't my style per se. You know, I need the Freddy Krueger. Freddy! 1, 2. How does the song go? Buckle my shoe. Whatever the song goes, that little creepy song that comes on every time Freddy comes. Nightmare on Elm Street realness. I'm serving Nightmare on Elm Street realness with my Freddy Krueger bangs. Don't go to sleep. Alright, so let me show you guys the back. So the back is pretty cool because, hold on, let me just show you the back. So the back is pretty cool because, like the front, you can just take like a fine tooth comb and just you could just like style it however you want. Let me see if I can do that for you guys. Let me see if I can do that for you guys. Like you can, you know, just play with it. Just play with it. And I like that, you know, so that's pretty cool. So let me give you some details about this unit. Like I said, it's the petal pink. It's the Hailey, that's the style. So if you're looking for this, it's the Hailey. And it has more natural fiber. It says a more manageable fiber. It is very manageable. It's not a problem styling it and moving it in the shape that you want. And then it says it's long lasting, so it retains the curl shape and the natural sheen longer than any other. That's what they're claiming. I don't know what this fiber is, but it says looks and feels more like human hair than any other fiber. Well, you know what, it ain't look like my black hair. But it's a decent wig, and I see that like they have it in black and brown. So if people want to use this as like an everyday wig, they can do that. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know if you can use heat on it. Oh, it answers that question. Curling iron, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I guess you could go in if you want to and give this some height. I don't know how, because child, I know about that. I'm very reluctant to like put heat on these units. I hope you guys like it. I think it's a pretty decent wig. It's not my absolute favorite, I'm gonna be real with you, but I do like, and I won't be wearing this out. Nah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Hailey wig. If you liked it, give it 2 thumbs up. If you don't like it, let me know why you don't like it down below in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe. You can find me on my favorite place on the web, my blog, www.thisbahamiangyal.com. And I'm also on social media. I like Instagram, so don't forget at This Bahamian Gyal on Instagram. And of course, I'm also on Facebook and Twitter. On Twitter as This Bahamian Gyal because this couldn't fit. But sorry, they're telling me that I need to sing my song, so I'm gonna do a muted version, a sexy version, because this is a sexy little wig. You got to subscribe. You got to subscribe. If you want to see some more, you got to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I ain't doing no more. I ain't doing no more. I ain't doing no more. You got to subscribe. Y'all ain't feeling that version? Let me hit them with the real version. You got to subscribe. You got to subscribe. If you want to see some more. Really? You're just going to roll your motorbike right by. Where was I? Oh, yeah, let me just let you go. You gone? If you want to see some more, you got to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I ain't doing no more. I ain't doing no more. I ain't doing no more. You got to subscribe. Y'all know I'm crazy. See you guys next time. Next Wednesday, 1 o'clock. Don't forget, every Wednesday, 1 o'clock. Bye. Okay, I love you. Bye.